Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by syncing the accounts that matter so events never vanish between devices. Once done, make 3 base calendars: work, personal, shared, and assign contrasting colors so your eyes land on priorities faster. Next, set default meeting lengths and enable short buffers. This reduces back-to-back fatigue and enforces transition time. Do these first steps now so every event you add is routed correctly, visible to the right people, and automatically follows your timing rules. Now focus on rules and automation to reduce manual work. First, define availability windows and blackout dates so others only book viable times. Once those are set, create templates for common events and use recurring events for standing items. Templates save minutes every time. Make scheduling interactive with polls when multiple people conflict. Finally, integrate tasks, video links, and your CRM so invites contain context. This keeps meetings purposeful and reduces follow-up chaos. Finish by auditing and optimizing. Run a weekly 10-minute review to remove duplicates, merge overlapping events, and tweak colors or rules based on real use. Once you track time by category, rebalance priorities so focus blocks gain space. If something breaks, check permissions first, then inspect sync logs and time zone settings. Those are common culprits. If a calendar still misbehaves, temporarily disable an integration to isolate the issue. This helps you restore order without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.